So far, we have learned how to solve right triangles. But what about triangles which are not right angled? ऐसे triangles को oblique triangles कहते हैं और इनको solve करने के लिए हम sides और angles का relation use करते हैं. The first of these relations is called the law of sines or simply sine law. So let's take a triangle, any triangle. Vertices को हम capital A, B, C से represent करते हैं. इनके corresponding angles को alpha, beta और gamma से. Alpha के opposite side को A कहते हैं, beta के opposite side को B and gamma के opposite side को C. It's important to know that the angles and their opposite sides are closely related. For example, widening this angle here will lengthen the opposite side. And if you make the angle smaller, the side will also get shorter. The sine law states that the ratio of each of these sides to the sine of their corresponding angles is the same. यानी कि A upon sine alpha, B upon sine beta and C upon sine gamma सब बराबर हैं. So how did we get this? Let me show you. आपको ये triangle याद है? इसकी base को B कहते हैं. अब vertex B से perpendicular drop करते हैं down to the base. इस point को P का नाम देते हैं. This is the altitude or height with respect to the base B. Let's call it H1. अब ये triangle दो right angle triangles में divide हो गया है. अगर हम इस triangle में देखें triangle ABP में तो sin alpha is H1 upon C. We can multiply C on both sides and get H1 equal C sin alpha. और triangle BCP में sin gamma equals H1 upon A and we get H1 equals A sin gamma. अब यहाँ भी H1 है और यहाँ भी, यानी दोनों equal हैं. A little bit of rearranging and we get A upon sin alpha and C upon sin gamma. But what about beta? We can't have beta feeling left out. हम यही चीज़ दोबारा कर सकते हैं, but this time with C as the base. So let's rotate the triangle to make it easy for you to see.